5 major African tribes that were taken away during slavery. During the period of slavery, numerous African tribes and ethnic groups were forcibly taken from their homelands and transported to various regions of the Americas. Here are 5 major tribes or ethnic groups that were significantly impacted by the transatlantic slave trade. Yoruba. The Yoruba people are an ethnic group primarily located in present-day Nigeria, Benin, and Togo. They were among the largest ethnic groups taken during the transatlantic slave trade and played a significant role in shaping African diaspora cultures, particularly in the Americas and the Caribbean. Igbo. The Igbo people are an ethnic group from southeastern Nigeria. They were heavily affected by the slave trade and many Igbo individuals were transported to the Americas, particularly to countries such as Jamaica, Cuba, and the United States. The Igbo culture and traditions have also influenced various African diaspora communities. Okon. The Okon people are predominantly located in present-day Ghana and Ivory Coast. They were a major ethnic group targeted during the transatlantic slave trade and were forcibly taken to various parts of the Americas, including countries such as Jamaica, Suriname, and Brazil. Okon cultural elements can still be observed in several African diaspora communities. Mandinka. The Mandinka, also known as Mandingo or Malinki, are an ethnic group found across several West African countries, including Gambia, Senegal, Guinea, Mali, and Guinea-Bissau. They were heavily impacted by the transatlantic slave trade and became one of the largest ethnic groups forcibly taken to the Americas. Mandinka influences can be seen in regions such as the Caribbean, particularly in countries like Jamaica and Barbados. Wolof. The Wolof people are a major ethnic group primarily residing in Senegal, Gambia, and Mauritania. They were also targeted during the slave trade and many Wolof individuals were transported to the Americas, particularly to regions such as the Caribbean. Wolof cultural elements have had a lasting impact on various African diaspora communities. It is important to note that the transatlantic slave trade affected numerous other tribes and ethnic groups, and these 5 are just a few examples of those who experienced significant displacement and contributed to the African diaspora.